guys, welcome to Exam Pad. In today's class, we are going to solve this problem and also learn how many methods are there to solve this problem. So let's start with the solution. First, I'm going to solve this in method 1. So for that, first I'm going to take the question. Okay. So the question is root 125, root 125, root 125. Okay. Whole power 200. So first step is, we know that 125 is equal to 5 cube. So just substitute this value here. Therefore, which is equal to square root of 5 cube, square root of 5 cube, square root of 5 cube, the whole power 200. Okay. The second step is, this is common root, the whole root. So we know that the root x can also be written as x power 1 by 2. Is it? So just apply this rule here. Therefore, this root becomes 5 cube, root 5 cube, root 5 cube. Now I am going to replace this root by 1 by 2 to the power of 200. Okay. So we know a rule, that is a power m, the whole power n can also be written as a power m into n. So just apply this rule here. That's why based on this rule we can able to multiply these two powers. So therefore this becomes 5 cube, root 5 cube, root 5 cube, the whole power 1 by 2 into 200. So 1 2 is to 100. Okay. So now what we have here, g is equal to 5 cube, root 5 cube, root 5 cube, the whole power 100. So we simplify it like this. Okay. So next step is what? So we can write this 5 cube as 5 cube can also be written as 5 square into 5. Is it? So just apply this in the place of this 5 cube. So therefore 5 cube the root of 5 cube the root of 5 square into 5, the whole power 100. So this can also be written as 5 cube the root of 5 cube. This can split and write. So inside 5 square into root 5, the whole power 100. So this square and this root get cancelled. Therefore this becomes 5 cube root of 5 cube into 5 into root 5. Okay. Whole power 100. So we know a rule, that is a power m into a power n can also be written as a power m plus n. That which means we can able to, if base is same, the power can get added. If you see here, the base is same, whose power get added, 3 plus 1 4. So next step what you have to do is, I am going to add these two powers. So therefore 5 cube the root of 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 power 4 into root 5, the whole power 100. Okay. So the next step is 5 cube of, we can split and write this. Therefore root 5 power 4 into double root is there. So root of 5 the whole power 100. This 5 power 4 can also be written as 5 square the whole square. We can able to multiply the power. If we multiply these two, we will get 4 So 5 power 3, this can also be written as 5 square the whole square into root of 5 the whole power 100. So this square and this root get cancelled. So what we have here, 5 cube. So what we have here, 5 cube into 5 square into, this double root can also be written as 5 power 1 by 2 and to the power 1 by 2, the whole power 100. Okay. So if has power like this, we can able to multiply that because the rule is a power m, the whole power n can also be written as a power m into n, right? So apply this rule in the place of here. Therefore this becomes 5 cube into 5 square into 5 power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, the whole power 100. If base is same, in multiplication the power get added. So we need to add all those powers. If we add like this, take LCM. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 by 4. Okay. So if we add everything, 20, 21 by 4. So just apply this value in the power. Therefore this becomes 5 power what? 21 by 4. 5 power 21 by 4, the whole power 100. Okay, the whole power 100. So this is in the format of a power m, the whole power n. So apply this rule here. Therefore this becomes 5 power 21 by 4 into 100. 1 4 is 4. 25 times 100 will come. So therefore I will get 21 into 25. What we get? 21 into 25. 5 times 1 0. 2 times 4. 5 to 5. So the answer for this question is 5 power 5 to 5. Okay, this is what the answer. So put this bracket like this. Okay, so this is what the answer. So let's we solve the same question by another method. So now we start to solve the another method. Method number 2. Okay. So method number 2. So the question is root 125 root 125 root 125 the whole power 200. Okay. So now I am going to assume this is equal to x. Okay. So this is equal to x. So to remove this, so if you want to remove a square, what do you have to do? We need to take root, that is 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. Similarly, if you want to remove this 200, what do you have to do? We need to take to the power 1 by 200 on both sides. Okay, so just apply that. So therefore, take a whole bracket, inside a bracket, root 125, root 125, root 125, the whole power 200 to the power of this 1 200, which is equal to x power 1 by 200, because 1 by 200 on both sides, right? So I give this value to x also. So we can able to multiple these two based on the rule a power m, the whole power n can also be written as a power m into n. So based on this rule we can able to multiple these two. Since 200 and 200 get cancelled, so then what we have here is root of 125, root of 125, root of 125, which is equal to x power 1 by 200. Okay. Now we know that 125 is equal to 5 cube. So just apply, substitute this value in the place of 125. Therefore this becomes the root of 5 cube, the root of 5 cube, the root of 5 cube to the power, which is equal to x power 1 by 200. So we need to remove this square root. What do we have to do? We need to take square on both sides. So take square on both sides. Due to the square and this root get cancelled. So what we have remaining? 5 cube to the root 5 cube root of 5 cube, which is equal to, we can able to multiple these two. 1 2 is to 100. So what we have right hand side, x power 1 by 100. Okay. So second step is we need to remove the square root. For that what we have to do? We need to take square again on both sides. So put square again on both sides. So therefore this becomes 5 cube the whole square into the root of 5 cube, the root of 5 cube, the whole square. Okay, which is equal to x power 1 by 100 into 2. So here a power m, the whole power n can also be written as, we can able to multiple these two, 3 2s are 6. So 5 power 6 into the square root and the square get cancelled. So what we have here? 5 cube, the root 5 cube, sorry here which is equal to, okay, wrongly written like this, which is equal to 1 2 is to 5 times 50. So in right hand side we have 1 by 50. Okay. So next step what do you have to do? Again we have a root is here. So we need to take square on both sides again. So therefore this becomes 5 power 6 the whole square into 5 power 3 the whole square into root 5 cube the whole square, which is equal to x power 1 by 50 into 2 based on a power m the whole power n rule. Okay. So next step what do you have to do? So this is a power m the whole power n. So we can able to multiple these two. So therefore 5 power 6 into 2 12 into here 5 power 3 into 2 6 into the square root and the square get cancelled. So what we have here 5 power 3 which is equal to 1 2 is to, this will comes in 25 times, therefore x power 1 by 25. Okay. If base is same in multiplication, the power get added. So therefore 5 power 12 plus 6 plus 3 which is equal to x power 1 by 25. Okay. If I add everything, I will get 5 power 21 which is equal to x power 1 divided by 25. So we need only x. So in order to cancel this, what to have to? If we multiplied by 25, the both get cancelled, right? So therefore take power 25 on both sides. Okay. Therefore this becomes 5 power 21 into 25 which is equal to x power 125 into 25. This 25 get cancelled. Therefore in right hand side what we have? X alone. So just swap that and write x is equal to 5 power 21 into 25. 21 into 25 we already found, which is equal to 5 power 525. So we get the same answer in method 2 also. So let me solve the same sum in method 3. So how to solve that? So let's move to the method 3. Okay. Method 3. So just write the question. Question is root 125, root 125, root 125 to the power 200. So this is what the question, right? So first you need to see this 125. How many root it has? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So just write 125 root for this 125 into, see here, for this 125 how many root is there? 1, 2, right? So just write this root. Okay. So if we see here, how many root is there for this 125? Only one root. So just write one root. So this is all in multiplication. So I am going to write this in multiplication. Okay. To the power 200. So we know that root x can also be written as x power 1 by 2. So if we see here, how many root is there? Only one root. Therefore 125 to the power of 1 by 2 into, here how many root is there? 2 root. So therefore 125 to the power of 1 by 2 and to the power of 1 by 2 into, so if you see here, how many root is there? 3 root. So therefore 125 to the power of 1 by 2 and to the power of 1 by 2 and to the power of 1 by 2. So 3 times. So the whole power 200. Okay, which is equal to. So therefore g is equal to, we know that. So okay, before that just simplify this. So just write 125 the whole power 1 by 2 into. So we can able to multiple these two, right? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So just write that 125 to the power of 1 by 4 into, similarly 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 125 to the power 1 by 8 to the power 200. Okay. So if base is same, the power get added, is it? So we need to add all those to power. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. To just simplify this, take LCM. LCM is 8. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 by 8. So which is equal to 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 by 8. So just substitute this value here. So therefore which is equal to 125 to the power of 7 by 8 to the power of what? 200. Okay, so this is in the format of a power m the whole power n can also be written as a power m into n, which means we can able to multiple these two, is it? Similarly we need to multiple these two also. So therefore 125 to the power of 7 by 8 into 200. Okay, so this will comes in 2 table 400, again this will comes in 2 table 50, again this one comes in 2 table 25. Okay, so the what we have here 125 to the power of 7 into 25. So what the answer we have for 25 into 7? 7 5s are 35, 3 14 plus 3 17, 175. So therefore 125 to the power of 175. So we know that 125 is equal to 5 cube, is it? So just apply this value here. Therefore 5 cube to the power of 175. So based on a power m the whole power n rule, we can able to multiple these two, right? So therefore g is equal to 5 power 3 into 175. Just multiple these two. 175 into 3. 15 balance 1, 21 plus 1 22, balance 2, 3 plus 2 5, 525. So what answer we get here? 5 power 522. So in all three methods we can get the value as 5 power 525. So therefore the answer for this question is, so therefore answer for this question is, answer is 5 power 525. So please go through each and every method and comment me which method do you like to solve in your competitive exams and which method do you like. I'm eagerly waiting for your answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.